Hey guys, it's TheRykerDane. So I'm in an attic, which means we're gonna do another attic storage video. So this homeowner wants a little bit more space. Doesn't really have very much right now to work with to put anything up here. Not really gonna put anything major up here, but we've got these two big holes right here. Probably about a 4x8 section there and another 4x8 section there. It's kind of too bad that there's a gas line right there, but that's where we're going to put on a platform. So anyway, just like this OSB platform right here, we're just going to run, I got one 2x4 right here. We're going to run a 2x4 all the way across these trusses, about 160 inches or so. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 2x4s going all the way across. So let's get started. One tip you may want to do is pre-drill, or not pre-drill, but put in some screws so you don't have to hold the board while trying to put in screws, especially if you're by yourself. You can do these, we'll put in a couple more right there. So the next step is, how do you get it level with your existing trusses here? Well, use a level. Okay, so I got this level right here. Okay, ran in one screw. So that's how you know that you're gonna be at the same height as your other 2x4s, and then we'll do the other side. And just continue on with the second one, and 3 and 4. Did a little notching right here where this gas line is, and I'll probably put an extra piece of 2x4 on the top and maybe on the bottom here just to give it some extra support. Okay, and with a little fluffing up and those two support pieces right there, we are ready for some sheeting. Okay, so I kind of got lucky because this hole is 42 inches. I mean, the hole is bigger than 42 inches, but like from a step to the side, his 42 inches is all the bigger I can get. It's just about the perfect size for what I need between these trusses and this gas line. So anyway, I'm going to do some light trimming, and then also have to trim off about 1 inch here so that can sit on that rafter there. Otherwise, there'll be one big piece, 42 by 8 feet long there, and a little section here. Do the same thing over here. So I've got one sheet 42 by 8 feet and one sheet that is about 23 inches, and that's what that looks like. It's too bad this gas pipe is here. Otherwise, that could be one full section, or at least seamed together. So now it's on doing this side. Okay, we've got the big one cut, we've got the skinny one cut, and it worked out really well because these are basically 2 full sheets, or what did I say, 3 full sheets, 1, 2, and then a third in the middle. And then I'm also taking these, I cut off the edge here so this can sit here, but I'm also going to put these right here just to give some extra support. Just move this wire out of the way right here, and that way I'll give it a little extra support for this distance that it has to span, about 24 inches or so. But that's about where you might put more weight, so it's always a good idea for insurance. Almost done. All right, and there we go, all done. We got the 2 full pieces, or actually 42 and a 25 on that side, same on the other side. And then I added in this middle section right here. That way you can run, you know, stuff between the trusses there. But it turned out pretty good, and it's pretty simple. Just got to get those 2x4s up and then the sheeting up. All right, so anyway, it's done, and this should add about maybe 85 square feet or so to your project if you happen to have trusses like this. But this is what you could add. So I've made other videos before, so use common sense. You're not gonna put all your weightlifting equipment up here, store really heavy things up here. Just use common sense about Christmas decorations and other things that may weigh a ton. But anyway, it adds a pretty good amount, so you should be able to get maybe, you know, you could probably get at least 10 storage containers up here and some other Christmas decorations. And I didn't show you, but in these middle section here, you just scab on, same thing, scab on the trusses, just a little 2-foot 2x4. So anyway, hope this short video helped how to get some extra storage without buying a storage building. Make sure you subscribe and check out the channel for more videos on some really helpful tips, DIYs, home projects, all kinds of stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.